everyone, my name is Patil Devika Dayanand and today we will going to talk about the blood pressure, focus on how to measure it. Further going to the next step, first we will see what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is a pressure exerted by circulating blood on the walls of the artery. It is one of the most important physiological primarily of the body, includes vital signs along the heart rate, temperature and the respiratory rate. The normal value of a blood pressure is 120 by 80. 120 is called a systolic blood pressure, in which the heart beats when the blood pressure is at the highest, and 80 is called a systolic heart blood pressure, in which the heart relaxes, which is the blood pressure in the lowest. There are two instruments which we will see in this are the sphygmomanometer and the stethoscope. So these two are the instruments which we will use today. The first is a sphygmomanometer and the second is stethoscope. So sphygmomanometers, the length of the inflatable bladder of the glove should be 80% of upper arm circumference and the width should be 40% of the upper arm of the circumference. Now this is a nanometer which we use for measuring systolic and the diastolic pressure reading. This is bulb. This is used to pump the air in the glove. This is a valve. The used has a dilation value to control the glove. This plays a vital role in getting an accurate measure. And the second instrument is stethoscope, in which this portion is called as a bell and this portion is called as a diaphragm. Hello, my name is Patil Devika Dayanand and I am one of the second year medical student. Can I just check your name and age please?
My name is Shraddha Yogesh Patil, grade 6 now.
Okay, nice to meet you. I will ask you some questions. So, do you take alcohol?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
Any medicines?
No.
Have you done any exercise in last 30 minutes?
No.
Okay, so today I would like to take your blood pressure so that we retain it, taking this cloth, inflating it on your arms, listening and feeling your pulses. So it will be a little bit uncomfortable for you, but it will not harm you. Before doing this, you will sit straight, relax and comfortable for 5 minutes. Your feet should be on the floor. So should we process?
Yeah.
First, we will palpate the brachial artery. While doing this, the examination room should be quiet. After it, place the cuff over 2.5 cm above from the cuboidal fossa. By placing the brachial artery between two tubes, now check for tightness of the cuff by placing the two fingers inside the cuff from up. Palpate the radial artery pulse and now inflate the cuff till the radial artery pulse disappears. Now root the reading and then deflect fast and wait for 15 to 30 seconds. Take the stethoscope and place it on the brachial artery and inflate the curve by adding 30 mmHg seconds. Now deflect the curve slowly 2 to 3 mmHg second. Note the first Kotokov sound, that is systolic pressure, and then continue to deflect slowly till the sound is muffled and disappear, that is diastolic pressure. Then deflect rapidly to zero.
So I have done with the checkup of my patient. The first Kotokov sound which is consumed has a systolic measure has found as 125 and disappeared of the Kotokov sound is found as a dystolic was 80% which is consumed of the normal range. So my patient's BP is 125 by 80.